could have worse. So me a search for happiness.
Alright.
Wait, is it two? Is it?
Alright, sit down, sit. What is this?
It's a duck.
It's a duck?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's a duck?
Yeah.
No, that's a bird.
No, it's a duck.
No, it's a pigeon.
No, it's a duck.
No, it's a parakeet.
No, it's a duck.
Alright, good job, it's a duck. Alright, what are we gonna do?
I'm gonna do a tongue.
The tongue? What color should the tongue be?
Red.
Red?
Yeah.
Alright, so we have markers here. I'm gonna put them in here. Find red.
Okay.
No, you can open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. You can open. No, that's orange. It's orange.
It's
That's orange.
red.
How do you know it's red?
It's red.
How do you know?
It's red.
Alright, come and sit. Stop feeling up your penis, man. Want your penis? Penis, you want pee-pee?
No.
Alright.
Oh.
Hold on. Come, close it, close it, close it. Close it.
Close it?
Yes, close it back. The other way. Alright.
Yeah.
So good job. That's red. Put it right here.
Red.
No, close it, close it. Put it right there. Alright. What color is the duck?
It's red.
No. I know we're gonna color the tongue red, but what color we're gonna color the duck in yellow? Okay?
No, it's red.
No, this is red, but we're gonna color the wings and the feathers in yellow. Find yellow. Look carefully, look thoroughly. Search it properly for the yellow. Open your eyes, you don't have to close your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes, open your eyes, look for it. You can't close your eyes and find that. Oh, you're following the YouTube thing where you close your eyes. Alright.
It's yellow.
No, that's not yellow.
It's yellow.
That's orange.
Not yellow.
That's brown.
It's orange.
That's black.
It's yellow.
No.
Yellow!
Joking! Yellow. Good job. Alright, so put it there. So next up, we're gonna color the beak.
Oh no, they go to the
Listen. Shh. Look at me. Leave it. Look at me. So next up, we're gonna color the beak in brown. Find brown. Come, we are angry about.
Okay.
Look for brown. We're gonna find brown. Open your eyes, man. You don't have to close your eyes. It's not a close eyes.
It's brown.
No, that's not brown. That's green.
That's brown.
Alright, good job. That's brown. Come, put it here. Put it here. One more color.
Okay.
Um,
And we got this.
we need black. Find black. Gonna color the foot or the feet in black. Whoa.
Black.
Good job. Alright, put it right here. Put it right here. So a duck. Are we getting the colors right? A duck have, but these are the colors that we have. So the feathers in yellow, feet in black, the beak in brown.
No, wait.
What color should the eyes be?
And
What color for the eyes? What color for the eyes? What color should we put on the eyes?
eyes.
Yellow eyes?
Yeah.
Come on, want your penis?
No.
You want pee-pee? You want pee-pee?
No.
Alright, come sit down. Don't color it, don't color it. We'll put it back. Hold on. Let me think first. What color should the feet be?
Yellow.
So you want to put the feet and the feathers in yellow, you sure?
Yes.
No man, make us put the feet in black.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna start off with the tongue. Tongue. We're gonna start off with the tongue. So let's go. What color should the tongue be? What color?
It's red.
Alright, let's go. Time to color the tongue. Let's get it. Alright, if you have a ducky at home, you can try this. Nice. Yeah. Good. So you must forget the details in up, you know. The man a detail like me, you see me? Yeah.
Quack, quack.
The man a teaching well. You're not finished. Fill out all the blanks, the blank spots. Man, you're precise here, man. Yeah, man. You better. Man, brother. Whoa. Alright, close it up, close it up, close it up. Good job. So we got the tongue, yeah? Put it to the side. Over here. Yes, good job. Come, sit, have a seat, man. Have a seat.
Yellow?
Get yourself comfortable. Alright. We're gonna color.
Black.
Not black yet. Hold on. We're gonna color the beak brown. Get brown, get brown. Get brown.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, so color the beak.
The color beak.
Hold on. So you're gonna stop. Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna stop right here. So color up to right here.
So we want to color beak?
Yeah, color the beak now. Brown. Is that brown? Yeah. Yeah. Nice. No, go on, continue. Look, we're gonna color all the beak, all of here. Yeah. Yeah. Man. Bridget, don't put the face on the marker. Oi! Don't put the face on the cut marker. You get frustrated already? Can I do it?
We could do the one.
Alright, look. I'm gonna do right here. Just right here. And then you can do the rest, okay?
I don't want to do the rest.
You don't want to do the
I
rest?
don't want to do the rest. You do it.
No, man. You're a color. You a color. Come.
I don't want to color. You color.
Come.
Then
Come. Just finish. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Straight. Right here. Yeah. Don't give up, man. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up.
no, miss.
You can do it. You can do it if you really want, but you must try and try and try. Try and try. You achieve at last. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. But you must try. 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 You soon done to pam 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 pam. Almost. One more. See, I have a little bit of blank spot. Yeah. Hold him. Right here. Look. No, not yet. Wait. Not yet. Look, Jamir. Look at me. Stop putting mark up here. Look, right here. Just finish right here. Please. Please, right here. Look right here. Look.
Okay, then.
There, right there. Just right there. See that little blank spot right there? Yeah.
I can know that.
Yeah. Right there. Hold him. Over here, so. Hold him, no. Right there.
Yeah.
Alright, good job. Cover it, close that up. Good job. Alright, get the yellow now.
Yellow?
Yeah. We're gonna leave the eyes white, so color the feathers. His head. We're gonna color the head now, yeah. Yeah, my boss. Hold them. I hope I saw a duck look, you know.
And no.
You know how a duck looks, right?
Yes. I look above there.
Good. Nice. Alright. Color. Go on. Continue. You're doing good. I like it. What? Jamir, you're sick. Wano.
Take a song.
What song?
Yes.
What song?
A song.
You can do it if you really want. You can do it if you really want. You can do it if you really want, but you must try. try, try and try. You succeed at last. I'm fine on next one. I know I can. What's that, man? I know I can be what I wanna be, but if I work hard on it, I'll be where I wanna be. I'll be where I wanna be. I know I can be what I wanna be, but if I work hard on it, I'll be where I wanna be. Mad. One more and finish. One more. You can do it if you really want. You can do it if you really want, but you must try and try. Mad. Alright, come now. Come, we're gonna get the feet now. Black. Cover that, so that it doesn't dry out, okay? So remember, always cover it so it don't dry out, right?
Shubi. Shubi.
What?
Shubi.
Shubi?
You
You need that dictionary for yourself, don't know what that means. Come.
Shubi.
Alright, come sit down, come. Close it, and you might be careful, man, when I mark up the clothes, you see me? Push it down. Strength. Good job. Alright. So get the black. No, put it right here. Don't put it in the bin. Get the black one now. Yeah. We're gonna color the feet now. Yeah. I should be color it in brown. What? It's okay. Start alright. Go on. Nice. Don't get frustrated. You want me to sing?
No. Yes.
You don't want me to sing?
Yes.
You want me to sing or you don't want me to sing? You want me to sing or you don't want me to sing?
I want to sing.
You want me to sing?
Yes.
Or you want me to sing? What kind of sing you want me to sing?
Give me a steady Eddie, a whoopity.
You can do it if you really want. Da-da-da. You can do it if you really want. Da-da-da. You can do it if you really want. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Ra-ra-ra. You can do it at last. Come and say eyebrow. Do the eyebrow. Come on. Do the nose. Let me see the nose. No, man. Do this. Flare it.
No.
Do the eyebrow. Alright, come. Go finish.
No, play me up.
Alright, come.
Color.
Don't play when you're coloring. Alright, no play. Go on.
No mess up.
No mess up.
No mess
It's okay if you mess up. That's how you learn, right?
No.
But you need Dr. Precise. Good job. You're doing good. I'll find a motivation song for you. You want to sing a song?
What we do, man?
You're a singer?
Yeah.
I'm recording.
Shake. Shake. I wiggle. I wiggle. When you hear apple, you hear apple, you hear eyes, you hear eyes, you hear nose, you hear lips, you hear hands, you hear knees, you hear Eddie black shirt. You hear Eddie here. You hear ears. You hear Eddie face.
Cool, let me wash your face with the cake. So cool, let me wash your face with the cake. Oh. Finish one thing before going to the next. Good job. I don't think a duck have a knee. Duck have knee?
Yes.
Ducks have knees?
Yes.
Boy, I don't know about that, you know. Just have one couple of things. They are not even worse. But probably must have. My youth, you tell you something. And the man will run up in my face, you understand? And if, hey, give me a son of youth. Give me a son of youth. Relax, man.
Oh.
I'm gonna want to say, yeah, twist up the next one either, you understand?
Okay, look that.
Come here, come here. Come here, look for me. Look for me. Lift up your head. No, we better not shy this, we are easy. Come here, man. Come here, man. Yeah, Superman, come here, let me show you something. Let me show you something. Look for me. So when I talk, we don't want you to do this now. Twist up your head. Just stand up and talk.
Straight.
Stand up straight. You do this.
Salute!
Good job.
It's color!
Yeah!
It's color! In color!
Up top. Hot artist and a flap artist. That.
Oh.
Mine.
Okay, you do it and then I'm gonna do it.
Alright. I'm just gonna do the wing and then you do the neck and everywhere else, okay? Your marker, run up and cheat.
Oh no, we're gonna cheat! Okay, look, Daddy, we're gonna cheat now. We're gonna cheat, Daddy.
No, they should not cheat. Cheating is bad, okay? Don't follow nobody and cheat. I'm just gonna do the wing for you. You're cheating?
Yes.
Don't worry about them, man. Focus on where you are. Come. Being too focused on it. On the Coca-Cola. Alright, here. I'm done. I did the wing.
I'm telling.
Come, your turn. So do the your side. I did the wing. Good job. Just like that, my boss. Just like that.
I'm doing neck.
I am doing the neck, yes.
Oh no. This one the side?
Yes, right there. Good job. Go ahead.
We're not cheating.
Come, sit. Finish up. Tired.
Tired? Okay, it's gonna sleep 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes?
And 10 minutes gonna sleep and after a color.
Okay, so make sure you finish within 10 minutes. Okay, sir? Tired, Virgin.
Okay.
Alright, John, wait, don't spoil it. Wait. Let me take a picture of it. Hopefully the camera is still on. What? Camera still around, my boss. Alright, we can show you. Only thing me do are the wing and probably a little piece of the feet. You know what I'm saying? Or the foot. Yo, I want to really and truly catch the details of how the boss catch at the edge. Sometimes you hear him say mess up and then I talk about the man perfect, like whoa. This one of him so-called mess up. But the other one the next one right there, so minor. Alright, this up. Jamira 3-year-old and the boss just precise. I love it. So you want the eyes them red? You doing thing. So what me do? Just color right here if you block off that. And he basically did everything. So there you go. We are gonna sign off the thing and now.
Go ahead.
Say goodbye. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Big up yourself.
I pick up a shelf.
Safe travel upon the gravel.
And broke in the trouble.
You have to work